How to sign into your Netflix account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Netflix account. So let's get started. First thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Netflix account just like this. So I'll simply search in for Netflix over here and just click on this first link over here, or you can also just tap on the sign in. So it will take you to the home page of your Netflix, and once you're inside, you just tap on the sign in button at the top right. And if you haven't registered it, you can just enter your email and simply click on get registered or get started. You can also click on this sign up now to create a new account if you haven't already. So if you already have an account, you just have to enter your email address just like this. And once you enter your email address, just enter your password correctly, make sure it's correct. And if you ever forget your password, you can always forget your password by reset your password by clicking on this forget password button over here. And once you do all of that, just click on sign in to successfully sign into your Netflix account just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.